Hi there, this is Ginny. LearnWithGinny.com is where you can get my newsletter and grab some free training. So you never know. I share all kinds of stuff on there. Anyway, so this morning I figured out how to put some background music on TikTok, and I thought I'd share it with you. And since I figured out how to share my screen on here, I can show you. It's very cool. Anyway, let me get me out of the way and show you real quick. So, there's my screen. Isn't that beautiful? I got to take a ride today, I think, and see some of these colors. That's at Copper Country, isn't it? Yeah, Copper Peak, in where I live in the Upper Peninsula. Okay, so, if you're watching this, you already know how to add. You just click the plus sign. So, we click the plus sign, and there's me. You record your clip, and this is me talking, blah, 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 blah. So, there's that. I hit the check mark. Now, when you hit music down here, I can search for music, and I picked piano music because I'm a pianist and I love piano music. So it's really slow because I'm streaming too, so this might not go. I'll wait a few more seconds. I might just have to show you on a previous video if I can edit it. That's too slow. Maybe I should have done screenshots. Hey guys. Anyway, and once you pick out your music, here's some banjo music. I'll put that on there. And I'll turn it up a little bit. Okay, so you hear the music, but we want to be able to hear my voice, right? So what you do is you hit the volume, and you see original sound is where you're talking, so I turn that up, and then the added sound I can turn down. So now you can hear me. Now when I have my external, good morning Angela, when I have my external mic plugged in, my voice is actually louder. So that's how you do it. That's super easy, right? So then I go back, and then I can add my effects, whatever I want. Like let's say I want hearts. If I hold it down, it'll add the hearts for the whole thing. I can add different effects throughout the video too. So that's how I do it very, very quickly. I'm not going to save it because that's just me saying blah, blah, blah. So go find me on TikTok. It's Learn with Ginny. I'm just going to discard. And of course, if you're doing a video like that, you can just add music and leave it. So I'm going to get me back up here. And that's how you add some background music when you're talking on TikTok. So go follow me. Get on my newsletter so that you don't miss any invitations to any future workshops or trainings and stuff like that. So it's at learnwithginny.com. I'll put the website somewhere. On YouTube, it'll be below the video. On Facebook, it'll be above. And I'll see you later. Make it a great day.